Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Connect both controllers and sign into two Epic accounts. Once done, launch Fortnite on a supported console and enter the main lobby with Player 1. Make sure Player 2 presses the prompt to join. Don't skip this. After both players are visible in lobby, navigate to Settings. This is where we'll change display configuration. Keep both controllers active and avoid closing the lobby, because the split session must remain live while you adjust layout. You'll now change the orientation. Go to Settings, then Video or Display, and locate the split screen or screen orientation option. Once located, choose vertical or top/bottom orientation. This flips the layout from side by side to stacked. Apply the change and allow the game to update the lobby preview. This may reload UI but won't drop players. If the option is grayed out, ensure both accounts are fully signed in and that the console isn't set to forced 16:9 downscaling, but finish by confirming settings and returning to the lobby. You should see both player views stacked vertically. Once confirmed, start a local or online match to validate the layout in-game. If the UI reloads after applying settings, be patient and wait for the client to stabilize rather than exiting. If the vertical option fails to apply, sign out the second account, rejoin the lobby, reapply vertical, and then start. This forces a refresh and resolves most split-screen orientation glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.